Here's a 2018 Audi Q5. Its sharp design makes it instantly recognizable. Its elegance and capability make it unmistakably an Audi. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, Bluetooth streaming audio, Audi Advanced Key, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver reports all the Q5s come with electrically assisted power steering that actually has a sufficient amount of feedback for an SUV. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. Take it for a test drive today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.